Today I'm going to show you how to prep and make homemade sauerkraut. First, we have our big head of cabbage, and I peeled off the top layer. And now I'm going to cut it. I'm going to divide this out and then I'm going to slice it. Cabbage is all sliced. You want to put it in a big mixing bowl, and since it was a really large head of cabbage, I went ahead and split it up into 2 bowls, and then add a tablespoon of pink salt to both of them, and then you want to massage it for about 15 to 20 minutes. So we massaged, and I'm saying we because Isaiah helped for a little while. So we massaged it for about 15-20 minutes.
I did 10.
But see how it's all moist and the water from the cabbage has released. So it's nice and juicy, and now it's ready to go into the fermenting Kraut. So here's the crock, the fermented corner, the crock corner. Trinity made a little peppercini kraut, so she cut up some pepperoncinis. I ended up putting some garlic in ours, so these will sit here for 5 days. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys give it a like, subscribe, and go watch our other videos.